This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 3 XL versus the Galaxy Note 9. Now the Pixel 3, this one has the Snapdragon 845, 4 gigs of RAM, stock Android 9 Pie, and the Galaxy Note 9 also has the 845, a whopping 8 gigs of RAM on this model. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Pixel 3 XL. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both, as you can see. So let's get started by tapping the messages. Pixel 3. Camera. Ooh, very close, maybe the Note 9 on that one. Clock. I think that was the Note 9 actually. Stopwatch and leave that running. Chrome and Samsung browser, go. Search for GSM Arena on both. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Ooh, very close. Maybe the Pixel 3 on that one. Let me know in the comments. Scroll through this nice and fast and go to the desktop version. Looking at the progress bar again, and I'm gonna have to give this to the Pixel 3. Pinch to zoom on the Note, nice and fast. Do the same thing on the Pixel, nice and fast as well. Leave it on that page. Calculator on both. Very similar, maybe the Note 9. Play Store. Give this to the Pixel. Go ahead and click on, which one can I click on? This one. Leave it on that page. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, very close. You guys let me know in the comments. Click on the deal of the day, leave it on that page. eBay. Not sure, maybe the Pixel. Click on this Xbox, leave it on this page. NFL app. Ooh, not sure, Pixel again maybe? Very close. Baseball app. Very close again, maybe the Note 9 on that one. Super Mario Run. And give this one to the Note 9. Tap to begin. And leave that running in the background. Temple Run 2. Looks like the Note 9 is ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. And give this to the Note. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Asphalt 9. Note is ahead here. Tap to play. And we'll leave that running. PUBG. Pixel 3 is ahead here. I'm gonna give this one to the Pixel 3, as you can see. Go ahead and close this out. San Andreas, go. Looking at the progress bar, looks like we have a tie. No, Pixel 3 is ahead. And give this to the Pixel. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Good to go on both. Asphalt 9. Still in RAM on both phones. Temple Run 2. Good to go on the Note. Pixel is reloading this, Super Mario Run. Ready to go on the Note, Pixel is reloading this game, baseball app. Good to go on the Note, the Pixel, a little bit of a lag, NFL. Good to go on the Note again, Pixel, reloading this, eBay. A little bit faster on the Note, Amazon Shopping. Faster on the Note again, Play Store. Same place, calculator. Faster on the right, the internet browsing, a little bit faster on the Note. Clock on both phones, both are still running the stopwatch. The camera, you guys are the judges. And the Messages app, boom. So hit me up in the comments, let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you hashtag Team Pixel, rocking the Pixel 3 XL or the regular Pixel 3, Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, or the first gen Pixel, or even a Nexus 6P. These phones running stock Google Android with timely security updates every month, arguably the best camera on a smartphone. You do have to contend with a notch this year. However, as you can see, I'm rocking this phone with Nacho Notch to hide it a little bit. Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking the Note 9, Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, Galaxy S8, or even an S7 Edge? These phones coming in with excellent design and excellent build quality, no notch, the best display on the market. Note 9 coming in with the S Pen, 4000 mAh battery. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Here we go. The nacho notch. There you go.